A truly smart building contains an ability to analyze its environment and make real-time adjustments to improve efficiency and productivity. According to Memori, by 2020, 1 in 5 buildings will be a smart building, supporting 50 billion connected devices, with cloud-based software and services growing at a rate of 33%. An Internet of Things-enabled environment helps to simplify the tasks of managing risk, improving network performance, enhancing workforce productivity, and better space utilization. The 5 senses that enable intelligent buildings include environmental monitoring, visual management, communication enablement, security integration, and network connectivity. Environmental monitoring, the first of the 5 senses of an intelligent building, utilizes various types of sensors to track occupancy, assess lighting levels, gauge temperature and humidity, and monitor energy consumption. This can be achieved through energy metering, power monitoring. Intelligent lighting will be a smart building, supporting 50 billion connected devices, with cloud-based software and services growing at a rate of 33%. An Internet of Things-enabled environment helps to simplify the tasks of managing risk, improving network performance, enhancing workforce productivity, and better space utilization. The 5 senses that enable intelligent buildings include environmental monitoring, visual management, communication enablement, security integration, and network connectivity. Environmental monitoring, the first of the 5 senses of an intelligent building, utilizes various types of sensors to track occupancy, assess lighting levels, gauge temperature and humidity, and monitor energy consumption. This can be achieved through energy metering, power monitoring, intelligent lighting sensors, and protocol converters. Part of supporting visual engagement in a smart building is facilitating its integration into your network, including management of video content and mass communication. Several tools are available, including structured cabling, IP-enabled video network switches, video management software, and integrated mass notification platforms. Enabling effective communication requires a unified approach of multiple subsystems, including in-building wireless for mobile devices, voice-over IP for fixed-line connectivity, and video conferencing for collaboration. This can all be supported with QoS networking switches, Cat6 or Cat6a PoE cabling, video access control products, and meeting room furniture with integrated cabling. To leverage a common platform, the various subsystems of security should be IP addressable and adopt an open architecture approach. This can be achieved through a 3-step migration path that includes moving from a proprietary methodology with no third-party integration to interoperable systems with APIs that are not standards compliant and have limited integration partners, to ultimately move to a true open architecture, which is standards-based, non-proprietary, and industry-supported. This can be achieved by adopting open architecture technologies in the areas of ONVIF-compliant video surveillance and access control, video management software and analytics, and network storage and video-optimized servers. In order to get the Internet of Things enabled in your building, it is critical to maintain a network infrastructure that can support an Ethernet-based connectivity platform. Migrating legacy edge devices onto the network may be initially achieved through media conversion and protocol adapters. However, ultimately connecting your Internet of Things on a scalable and standards-compliant structured cabling system is essential for the interoperability of the network. This migration path requires a detailed assessment of your environment to understand your current edge sensors and devices, what is your existing data transport layer, how you aggregate this data, and where analytical tools may be used to provide relevant and actionable information, all to achieve smarter management of your building. So what is the best way to benefit from an integrated Internet of Things environment in your building? Choosing the right technologies along with adopting best practices for installation include implementing an open architecture approach, using interoperable hardware, understanding your OT and IT strategy, assigning ownership, developing proof of concept, and resource collaboration. Annexter's cabling integration partners will help define a scope of work, provide design assistance, maintain network and business continuity, test and commission, and offer system warranty. Anixter's supply chain solutions will simplify your project through sourcing, inventory management, product enhancement and packaging, global logistics, and e-commerce, all while meeting project budgets and deadlines. Various stakeholders have different but equally important concerns. Anixter will help you consider the individual needs of each department to meet the collective challenge of enabling the Internet of Things. In addition to selecting the technologies that support your current and future commercial building needs, Anixter's infrastructure as a platform model addresses project.
Are you ready to see the world's most advanced automation software? Great! Let's begin.